on the bones of the road. I've been running from a choice I made, carrying weight I never showed. Went through the wires like a warning call. Empty sky, nowhere to hide. Every mile just pulls it closer. All the truth I keep inside. Then the horizon crack wide open, like the night had something to say. Then the whole sky lit up silver, like the truth I tried to outrun. There's lightning in the desert tonight, fire in the sky that never cries. Every flash cuts straight through me like a reckoning. I can't deny. No rain falling, no place to run, just thunder rolling through my chest. There's lightning in the desert tonight, and it won't let me forget. Sky burn red where the highway ends. I keep on losing ghosts I call friends. Ain't no mercy where the shadows dwell. Just the sound of my shovel and a deep well. I dug too far, I can't see the sky. Whisper a name, but the echo won't die. The darker it gets, the more I can tell. I'm buried alive in my own deep well. Water came up black as sin, reflected every wrong I've been. Thought I'd drink and break the spell, but the water just left in that deep well. If I could climb, I I'd tear these walls, but the stones remember every fall. Ain't no light, just a tolling bell, calling my name from the deep well. I dug too far, I can't see the sky. Whisper her name, but the echo won't die. The darker it gets, the more I can tell. You can't find peace in a deep, deep well. Wind cuts through